So there is quick introduction if you are in a hurry, just go to 250. Thanks.
Hi, it's me, मेरो नाम चाहिँ एन्जिला हो. I'm currently in abroad. मैले यस्तो भिडियोहरू धेरै बनाएको छैन, बट म यस्तो हाल्ने ट्राई गर्छु. अनि म चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिसमा हल्का होइन इङ्ग्लिसमा बोल्ने ट्राई गर्छु किनकि अब विदेश आएपछि इङ्ग्लिस बोल्नै पऱ्यो है, अर्कै भाषा बोलेर भएन. इङ्ग्लिसमा हाल्ने ट्राई गर्छु ताकि मलाई नि प्र्याक्टिस हुन सकोस् किनकि आई एम विक
तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा.
आई एम विक एट स्पिकिङ इङ्ग्लिस. I'm just practicing. मेरो लागि सजिलो होस् न है, त्यही भएर I will make in English the video.
So let's go, guys.
I'm going to talk about how to lock the door. In Nepal, I didn't used to live in this kind of top floor room. This was just simply this open So at first it was very difficult for me. I searched online also, but there was only like how to open the door without lock or with coin, with a hairpin. Bro, I just wanted to lock the door legally. So I searched and searched, but I was not able to get. But later I figured it out. Yeah, it maybe a common misuse or something. पर क्या करे, you know, क्योंकि हम तो गरीब है, हम normal है. For many people, they may be like, but you know, some people just don't know. We can't know all things, you know. Or can't we?
ये आराम का मामला.
We can't know all things, so it was for me that also. But I'm also sharing with you guys, not to make fun of me or just to waste, you know, just so you can find easily and open the door like and lock like. Okay, so let's go. So hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you about things that I should have knew but I didn't knew. क्या करे, हम गरीब है, हमारे पास ऐसा नहीं था. So I knew this kind of door, but I never live with this kind of door knock. So I knew how to open it, but when I decided to go outside, I didn't knew how to lock my room, you know. Okay guys, I got you. So just press it, press it, But don't forget to take your keys with you, otherwise you will be locked outside. So like this, it's lock guys, it's lock.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Yay, we did it. Now you can open when you come back.
मैं पागल हूँ.